Hey friends, welcome back to John.Drinks. Today we are going to make and talk about the mint julep. The mint julep is a bourbon-based cocktail that is most popular for being the signature drink of the Kentucky Derby. So much so that they go through thousands of these every year. This refreshing drink is super easy to make as all you need is some bourbon, simple syrup, mint, and a little bit of bitters for the end. This drink is over 200 years old. The first time it ever appeared in print was in 1803. Since its creation, the mint julep has kept popularity over the years, and the term julep itself has become a category of drinks all on its own. It usually partakes into drinks made over poured ice. Mint is pretty standard, and there's cognac versions, even peach brandy versions. But that's enough talk, let's go make one. First things first, you're gonna want to get a julep tin or a rocks glass. A julep tin is gonna be the most traditional way of serving it. I don't have one, but a rocks glass will do just fine. That is what a julep tin would look like. First to our glass, we are gonna add 8 mint leaves. Also, this is a good chance to pick out nice 2 big sprigs and set them aside for our garnish. Next to our glass, we're gonna add half an ounce of simple syrup. And we're gonna muddle the leaves and sugar together. I also like to just run the leaves along all the edges too. Just make sure we're getting all that mint oil all around the glass. After that's muddled, we're gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm going with Maker's 46 tonight. And then next, we're gonna fill the glass right to the top with crushed ice. While this is in the glass, we can stir it just to start getting things nice and mixed and diluted. Once we're done mixing, we'll add even more ice. Don't add it all at the beginning because it might be too hard to stir your drink. For garnish, we're gonna wake up some mint. And we're also gonna put some dashes of bitters right over the top, right where we can smell them. Add a straw and we're good to start enjoying. Okay, let's give our julep a try. Now right on the nose, you smell all those bitters and the mint. It's just a lovely smell. Like not perfumey, but just like refreshing and spicy. Right off the bat, you get that straight bourbon sweet taste. Simple syrup brings it up a little bit even sweeter, but it's a little diluted and works well. You get a lot of mint on every sip. Drink a few of these and you're gonna have the freshest breath at the bar. The drink is gonna start off sweet, and it's gonna, as you get around to the bottom and the bitters start coming to the bottom, you're gonna have like an extra depth of flavor. You're gonna have some of that bitterness and some of those toasty, spicy notes that come with Angostura. Anyways, that is my mint julep. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you wanna see more, remember to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what bottles of bourbon you use with your mint juleps and what you wanna see on the channel next. Until next time, cheers.